Reset Xumo remote. In today's video, you are going to learn how to reset Xumo remote. So let's get started. As you can see, this is how Xumo remote looks. Now locate the buttons, find the back button and the add button on your Xumo remote. As you can see them right here. This is the back button and with it, it's a plus button, that is add button. Now start the reset process, press and hold back and add button together, keep holding until the LED blinks red. This means the reset mode is ready. Now enter the reset code, quickly press 981 buttons together. This factory resets the remote and clears all previous settings. If it does not pair automatically, go to your TV or streaming box settings. Open remote, connect a device and follow the pairing steps. Point the remote at your device and hold the voice control button. This may trigger pairing automatically, and that's how you will be able to reset Xumo remote.